Alrighty guys, welcome back. Allow me to introduce you the world's cheapest Yamaha R1. This is a 2006. I picked it up for 750 bucks. Got it at Copart. Didn't think I would win the auction at all. Put my max bid in at 750, thinking obviously I would get outbid. Won it. After fees, it was just $1,000 to pick this thing up. Engine has no damage whatsoever, not even a scratch. Frame slider's a little scratched up, still got oil in it, clean oil. Forks are good, straight, not leaking. Again, motor, no scratches at all. Frame sliders on it, took all the damage. There's not really that much damage. Subframe, bolt, mount sheared right there. It had the cluster and the headlights, but they were lost at the auction yard, so I didn't receive those. Nor did I get the key. But clean title, 750 bucks. Can't believe it. I was gonna get it running, but I already have a buyer for the engine. Someone already wants to buy the subframe, believe it or not. All the parts are still good on it. Frame straight, swing arm straight, wheels are good, rims are good. A lot of good parts on it. All the electronics are still good. Fuel pump. Fuel pump, always a pricey piece right there. Sadly, I probably will be parting the bike out. I wanna rebuild it, but I already got the R6 project working on the Gixxer, and I still haven't even started the Busa really, only did minor work on it. Still gotta fix this whole bike, so. Just couldn't resist this deal. Crazy, 750 bucks. Couldn't believe it. I'll post a picture of the listing if I can. I think I got a picture of it saved, screenshot, so I'll post one of those just for proof. I couldn't believe it when I picked it up. Unreal. Best deal I've ever got on any bike at all, especially on a leader bike. World's cheapest Yamaha R1.